Hello everyone, this is Amrish and here we will discuss about Java methods. That means how we have to declare methods during writing of Java programs. So before declaring methods, we should know what is a method in Java. Okay? So a method is a block of code that performs a specific task. That means based on our requirements, we have to write the instructions by following the Java syntax and semantics. So those instructions will perform a specific task for our program. Okay? So in Java, there are two types of methods. First one is known as user defined methods and the another one is known as standard library methods. So what is user defined methods? User can create their own methods based on their requirements. Okay? Those are called user defined methods. That means here we give the name of the method according to our own choice. We can specify the return type of the method according to our requirements and the other things whatever we require that we have to specify based on our needs. Okay? So next one is standard library methods. So what is standard library methods? These are the methods which are already defined or derived. That means those are built-in methods. And our Java compiler already it can understand what the functions have to perform whenever we call those methods. Okay? So first of all, we will discuss about user defined methods. So here you can see how to declare a user defined methods. Within the box I have declared here. So modifier, static, return type, name of method, parameter 1, parameter 2 and so on. And after that you have to include the method body within curly braces. This is the syntax. Okay? In each language, in each programming language, you have to follow the syntax and semantics of that programming language. So this is the syntax of declaring the Java methods here, or you can say in this way you can declare your methods. So one by one we will discuss what the meaning of each keyword or the words that we have written here. Okay? First one is modifier. What is modifier? It defines access types, whether the method is public, private and protected. So that means if it is declared as public, if the method is declared as public, then it can be accessed from anywhere within the same package. Okay, but if it is declared as private, then the method can be accessed only by the members of that class. Next, if it is declared as protected, then it can only accessed by the class members and the subclasses. We will discuss in another video about public, private and protected type. Okay, and also we will discuss what are subclass, superclass in another video lecture. Okay, next one is static. So generally what happens, we call any functions with the help of object. That means through object we can call a function, but if you use static keyword, then it can be accessed without the use of objects. For that reason, here we have to write static keyword. Okay, that is optional. Okay, you may declare static or you may not. That is based on your requirements. Next one is return type. So you know that every function performs certain type of task and then it will return some values like integer, float, string, character and etc. Okay, so this return type specifies what type of value a method will return. Okay, next one is method name. So method name is, this is the name of the methods. Okay, using this name we can identify the methods. So you can say the method name is an identifier which is used to refer to a particular method in the program. Okay, next one is method body. So method body, it includes all the instructions which is used to perform the specific task. Okay, and these instructions have to be included within the curly braces. Okay, after that we have written some parameters by giving commas in between them within opening and closing parentheses. So what are those? Those are the arguments, okay, through which we can pass the values to a method. Okay, so the number of arguments you have to declare here. Okay, that, or you can take any number of arguments based on your requirement. Okay, so now we will explain, now we will understand with the help of one example. Okay, so here I have taken one example: public static integer add numbers. Okay, so this method, I have derived this method here, I have declared this method to perform sum of two numbers. Okay, so here I have declared it public, that means this method can be accessed from anywhere within the package. Next, static, That means without the use of object also you can access this method. Then I have declared as integer. That means after performing addition, or you can say sum, it will return the value as integer. Add numbers. This is the name of the method. Next, I have taken two arguments here, a and b. And here also you have to mention the type of value the argument can contain. Okay. So a is integer type argument, b is also integer type argument. That means they can hold only integer type values. Next, within curly braces, I have written integer sum equal to a plus b. Sum is the variable which can hold integer type values. Okay. So here after adding the values of a and b, that value will be stored in sum. Okay. Next instructions I have written here is return sum. That means sum will return a value of integer type. Okay, because already you have mentioned that that means before the name of the method you have mentioned it as integer. Return type is integer. Okay, that's why this function will return integer value. So thank you.